In this lesson, you will place rebar in a cross-section of a beam in the longitudinal direction. The rebar is placed perpendicular to the concrete beam cross-section. Click the menu browser and select Open, and open the file rst mdl reinforcement beam 02 perpendicular. Let's open the rebar shape browser. In the project browser, under Sections, Building section, double-click Section 2. Zoom into the beam on level 02 floor and select the concrete beam. Then click the rebar drop-down and select Place rebar perpendicular to work plane. In the rebar shape browser, select rebar shape 00. Then place the rebar in the upper right corner, approximately as shown. Then press Escape. Now let's mirror the single rebar. Select the single rebar, and from the Modify panel, click the Mirror drop-down and select Pick Mirror Axis. Then select Grid line J for the axis of the mirror or the reflection, as shown. Then press Escape. Let's copy the rebars to the center and bottom locations of the beam. Draw a selection window around the two rebars. Then, from the Modify panel, click Copy, and on the Options bar, click Multiple. Click a point on the grid line to define the start point. Then move the cursor down to approximately the midpoint of the beam and click to place the rebar. Then move the cursor down to the bottom of the beam and click to place the second copy. Then press Escape and close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file. And that concludes this lesson.